guys, back out here at Pebble Garage. I've been busy. I've actually not recorded a whole lot. I've just been jamming out to my music, and I don't have this one in. So anyways, long story short, I got two of the body mounts like ready to weld on, almost. I just have to drill a hole in them. Okay, they're not almost ready to weld on. They're made though, and they look pretty good. I've got two of them bolted on right now to the cab, which is super exciting. But I have to do the same thing that I did to the other two to them. And I'll show you guys what I did. I took some of this plate, I cut some strips out of it off of this end here. Off of that end there. Used a piece of pipe, I think it was this one. I laid it down on top of it, traced around the contour, got my length. Oh, Mr. Austin's here. Alright, that was a nice visit with Senor. Anyways, yeah, so I contoured the strips with a piece of pipe in the vise. And then marked it down because each one is just slightly different. Like they're close, but they're not perfect. They're as good as I can do in Pebble Garage. If I had a proper machine shop with a roller, I'd be able to make them perfect, but they're going to be good enough. You won't even see them. You'll be too occupied looking at the tires and the height of the thing and being scared I'm going to drive over you. But anyways, so I got the two rear ones done, and I went and picked myself up some hockey pucks just for temporaries, until I find something a little more permanent. I did drill out the front mounts for the bolt and got them bolted to the cab, so technically it is ready to weld onto the frame right now, but I'm going to pull it back off and I'm going to do the contour thing to it to kind of seal it off, make it look a little neater, like factory. Yeah, and then I can get the back two ones mocked up and then weld everything on tomorrow. And then what I got to do is machine some spacers. So I got a lot of work to do yet, but this thing is going to be bolted on to the to the frame tomorrow. Also, I did a thing because diesel. I'm going to put a stack on it. Why not? I don't think there's any other Mazda pickups with a stack on them. So I got to build I want to run 3-inch. Our other shop has a professional bender, like it's one of those commercial guys. It can do up to 4-inch. They've got dies for 4-inch. I want to run 3-inch from the turbos all the way up into the 5-inch stack. It's going to be freaking awesome. Also, picked up a sticker off my buddy Clinton. So, if you guys haven't seen his channel, it's Dirt Garage on YouTube. Check him out. He's doing a lot of cool stuff. Lots of wheeling videos, a little bit of how-to stuff. Really, really good cinematography. It's just, his videos are really, really well done. So, and he's selling stickers and shirts and stuff. If you guys want a sticker, go over to his channel. It'll help support his show, help him keep doing what he's doing. I've also got stickers on the way. He hooked me up with his sticker guy, so I'm going to have stickers here pretty quick. So he's going to send them out tomorrow. So if you guys want to get some stickers, I'll try to figure out how to sell them. It's been a really long day. But that doesn't stop me, because I want to drive this. I'm so looking forward to driving this, so it's gonna happen. So a little bit every day, and she's gonna get done. So a little bit more some days, and it'll get done quicker. So. There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. They won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. There, so that's that one kind of done. So now I can weld it to the frame. But I'm gonna do this one first, and then I can bolt that. For some weird reason, these hockey pucks all like stuck together really good. I don't know if it's because they're like super smooth, but when I unbolted them, I had to like beat them with a hammer to get them apart. Never experienced anything like that. It's very peculiar. But anyways, this one is done. It can cool off. Gonna do this one, and then I can work on getting those two locked up for drilling. But I think I'm gonna really want to weld these on tonight, so I might just do that. Well guys, that is the two, I guess, middle mounts done. They're welded onto the frame. Tomorrow, it's getting late, like, let's see what time it is. 9:30, holy. So, tomorrow I will tackle the rear mounts, and then we can drive these out of the way. Once I get the proper mounts made, because I don't want to buy more pucks because then I'd be tempted. But yeah, that's exciting. And then once I drive those out, then I can fully weld the top. So this is so much progress made today. I'm so pumped. Just got to do the rear, and then once that's done, and I drive those out of the way, I can work on getting all this stuff moved. Got to move the power steering box forwards. Got to cut a bunch of this stuff out because it's just not gonna work. Then I can work on building a custom mount for the front, and then we're golden. And the body's mounted. Then I can run on work on getting brake lines and fuel lines run. And then once they're done, then I can drop the engine in. So tomorrow's list of stuff is get the back two mounts done, welded on, machine something to replace 2 hockey pucks per mount, and then yeah, pull the engine out of the Volkswagen. So such a good day, so much done. Anyways guys, that'll do it for today. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.